How to log out of Yahoo Mail account. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to sign out of your Yahoo Mail, the steps are quite easy. While it is quite simple on your Yahoo website, so for that you just have to tap open any of your browser and search for yahoo.com where you are logged in. In order to log out or sign out, tap on the profile option and on the bottom you will notice the sign out option. Tapping on it will then directly log you out of your account. However, the steps are not so simple on your application. For the application, you have to click on the menu option from the left top corner. There you will see settings, tap on it. After going on settings, you will have to go on manage accounts, and instead of signing out, you'll have to go to your certain account and remove it. Once removed, it will be signed out from the application. Now, if you want to log in back, you require the full credentials. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.